Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English Practice Podcast. I'm so happy you're here.
Hi guys, I'm excited too.
Today, we will learn English in a simple and fun way. We will practice listening, vocabulary, speaking, and shadowing.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, very slowly.
Yes, perfect for beginners. Today's topic is a short story called A Quiet Morning.
It's a simple story, but it teaches very useful everyday English.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
First, just listen. Relax your mind. Don't worry about every word. Just try to understand the main idea.
Okay, here is the short story.
It is early morning. Tom wakes up and smiles. The house is quiet. The sun is soft. He wants to enjoy a calm, peaceful morning. He goes to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee. But when he turns on the coffee machine, nothing happens. He tries again. Still nothing. Tom is confused. He checks the plug. He checks the switch. Everything looks fine. He sighs. I just want one quiet morning, he says. Then his neighbor, Anna, knocks on the door. Good morning, Tom. Are you okay? I heard a weird sound. Tom laughs. It's just my coffee machine. It stopped working. Anna smiles. I have extra coffee at my home. Let me bring some. She comes back with 2 hot cups of coffee. Tom takes a sip and smiles again. Thank you, Anna. This morning is quiet, but also very nice. Anna nods. Sometimes small problems make the day more special. They sit outside, drink coffee, and enjoy the peaceful morning. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary from the story.
We will say the word, the meaning, and an easy example.
And you, the listener, can repeat after us. 1. Quiet. Quiet means with little sound. Example: the street is quiet in the morning.
2. Calm. Calm means relaxed, peaceful. Example: I feel calm when I drink tea.
3. Coffee machine. A coffee machine is a machine that makes coffee. Example: my coffee machine is new.
4. Plug. A plug is the thing you put into the wall to get electricity. Example: please check the plug.
5. Sigh. To sigh means to breathe out loudly because you're tired or sad. Example: he sighed after a long day.
6. Special. Special means different in a good way. Example: this is a special moment.
Great! Remember, repetition is the key.
Yes, repeat many times and you will improve faster.
Now, let's practice speaking. I will ask questions about the story. You answer out loud before I give the answer.
Don't be shy. Speak clearly.
Question 1. Was it early morning or late evening?
Early morning.
Question 2. Was the house loud?
No, it was quiet.
Question 3. What did Tom want to make?
A cup of coffee.
Question 4. Did the coffee machine work?
No, it didn't.
Question 5. Whom knocked on Tom's door?
Anna, his neighbor. Question 6. Did Anna bring tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Question 7. How did Tom feel after drinking the coffee?
He felt happy and relaxed again.
Question 8. Did the quiet morning become more special?
Yes, it became special because of the small problem and honest help.
You did amazing. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to learn.
Now it's time for shadowing. Shadowing means you repeat right after us.
Try to copy our rhythm, tone, and pronunciation.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Shadowing sentences. Repeat after us. It is early morning.
The house is quiet.
Tom wants a calm morning.
The coffee machine does not work.
Tom checks the plug.
Anna brings hot coffee.
They sit outside.
The morning feels special.
Great job! Shadowing helps you sound more natural.
Yes, do it every day to improve your pronunciation and fluency.
Today we practiced 4 things. 1. Listening to the story, A Quiet Morning. 2. Vocabulary words like quiet, calm, plug, sigh, and special. 3. Listen and answer speaking practice. 4. Shadowing to improve pronunciation.
If you repeat this lesson many times, your English will get better and better.
Thank you for joining us today.
Keep learning,
Keep practicing.
and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.